Library Proxy Setup for Mac. As a member of Polytechnique Montréal, you can access the library's numerous electronic resources even when you're not on site. In order to access the library's databases of electronic books and journals, you must configure your browser for the library's proxy server. Click on the Wi-Fi icon to open up the menu, then click on Network Preferences. Click on Advanced. Click on Proxies. Check Automatic Proxy Configuration. In the URL box, enter the address as it appears on screen. Click on OK. On the next screen, click Apply and close the window. When you access library resources, you will be asked for your credentials. For more configuration options, visit the library's website. If you need further help, contact our reference service.